In big development coming in, Sachin Pilot has been sacked as the Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister and the State Congress Chief of Rajasthan. Now, this move comes after Sachin Pilot missed the second Congress Legislative Party meet in a row in Jaipur today. Now, 102 Congress MLAs passed a resolution to remove the rebel MLAs from the party. This is a big news coming in at this point. Just a short while back, Congress leader Randeep Surjewala there made a series of announcements saying that Pilot has been stripped of all his ministries. Meanwhile, the other two loyalists of Pilot, Vishwender Singh and Ramesh Meena, have also been now removed from their cabinet posts as well. Let me bring in my colleague Ayushman, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Ayushman, big news coming in, but this, of course, was expected perhaps after 102 of the MLAs had demanded some kind of stern action be taken against the rebel MLAs and Sachin Pilot for not attending the CLP meet.
Yes, in fact, it was on card, Purva. Currently, we are being told that Sachin Pilot being removed from the portfolios and also being removed as Deputy CM in the state is something which the Congress was thinking upon. And after he skipped today's meeting, this became imminent that the action will be taken. Now, what happens to the claims of Sachin Pilot having over 30 MLAs support and the destabilization of government, that is something which the Congress party will be worried about.
Okay.
There is no expulsion because it was expected that an expulsion may also take place, but that has not happened here. Definitely, two of the loyalists who were the ministers, they have been removed. The Youth Congress president has been removed, and Sachin Pilot has been removed from his post of Apurva.
Absolutely, and Ayushman, there seems to be a statement that has also come in from the side of the Sachin Pilot camp. Can you take us through that as well? Because there's a very important mention there in that statement which says that Sachin Pilot does not want power but respect, something that has been highlighted in that statement that has now been put out by the Sachin Pilot camp.
Yes, Apurva, if you see the statement, they have clearly said that they have worked for the parties over the years and they have never indulged in any anti-party activities. They have worked for dignity. The SOG notice which Sachin Pilot got, it is something that has miffed the Deputy CM, and that is what has been reflected there in the statement. Clearly, two of the ministers who have been removed, they are the signatory in that, and they have said that they were not the ones who were trying to destabilize the government. It was the humiliation which was meted out to them, and that forced them to somewhere take a stance, and they are not indulging in the anti-party activities.
Also, Ayushman, it looks like while there were these discussions and debates of the old guard versus the new guard, something that we had seen in the past in Madhya Pradesh as well, it looks like the Congress has clearly shifted and slided towards the old guard once again. When we're talking about the statements that have also come out in the form of Randeep Surjewala saying that they were open to discussion, they have promoted Sachin Pilot since his beginning of the political career, but at the end of the day, he decided to not be a part of the Parivar and go on its own. So that clearly indicates that the Congress once again shifted its side to the old guard.